Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. This is the first time I'm uploading any video on my channel, so I'm a bit nervous as well. Please subscribe to my channel if you think this video help you in any possible way. This would give me the encouragement to upload more videos on various features of Excel, PowerPoint or any other tools that we use for our work activities. So without wasting any time, let me quickly explain about the VLOOKUP and the h-lookup function. And these are very important functions if you need to use Excel for any of your work, task or the activities. Now both functions are used for comparison, to compare the information. VLOOKUP is used to compare the information vertically. h-lookup is used to compare the information horizontally. Now let me explain with the help of an example. Now to explain these h-lookup versus v-lookup function, I've created an hypothetical scenario. Let's say Marvel superheroes went to a hotel to stay. They stay there for a couple of days and when they check out, they have been asked to fill a survey form. Hotel manager collated all the survey form and they put all the information into the single table. But the hotel manager also wants to know the meaning of the rating and the mapping of the rating versus level is being done in a different table. But he wants all the information to appear in this single table. So for that we are going to use the VLOOKUP function. So our objective here is to compare the column D to column I. If the information matches, we want the column J information to appear in the column E here. So let's use the VLOOKUP function. First of all, we want to enter the value to which you want to compare, that is column D3 here. Then we need to select an array to which you want to compare. This is the array we selected. Please note, once you select the array, it would always compare the first column of the array. So the first column of the array would be compared with the lookup value. So here the first column is rating. That's the reason rating would be compared with the rating column I selected in the lookup value. Then you have to select the index, the value you want to see in this column. In this case, it is the second column of the array. So you have to select second here. And then it would also give us an option whether you want an approximate match or you want an exact match. In this case, we want an exact match. So we have selected exact match here. And then enter. Once you enter, you will get the exact value here. But few points to note down here is that, as I mentioned earlier, it would always compare the first column of the array you selected. So the lookup value would be compared with the first column of the array. In case you selected this complete table, then the D column would be compared with the hotel name column, and it would which cannot be compared. So that's the reason always select an array in such a way so that the first column is the one that can be compared with the lookup value. Now, second point is that once you drag the formula down, it would give you an error because once you dragging the formula down, it was also drag the array. For now, the array is from J3, so I3 to J7. Once you come to the second row, it would become I4 to J8. When you come here, it become I5 to J9. When you come up here, it is out of the table now. That's the reason to make sure the array is not getting dragged. Once you drag the formula down, you have to use the ampersand sign here. And then you have to drag the formula down. So that is all about VLOOKUP. Now, let's say the rating versus level mapping information is not appear in a vertical column. It is appear in an horizontal way. Where the first row is hotel name, which compares the hotel information, then the rating, then the level. In that case, you cannot use the VLOOKUP function because the informations are appearing in a horizontal way. So in that case, you have to use the h-lookup function. Again, here our objective is to compare column D with the row 3. If the information matches, you want the row 4 information to appear up here. So you use the h-lookup function. First of all, the lookup value, then you have to select an array. Please note it would compare the first row you selected. So the column D would be compared with the rating column here, the first row you selected in the array. Then the column index, which is the second row from the array you selected. And then whether you want an approximate match or you want an exact match. Here we want an exact match. And also again, to ensure that once you drag the formula, the arrays are not getting dragged down, you have to use the ampersand sign. And then enter, and then you can drag the array down and you will get all the required information. Please note, this is used to compare the information horizontally, and VLOOKUP is used to compare the information vertically, as the name indicates. So that's all about the h-lookup versus vlookup function. If you like this video, please subscribe to it so that I will get the required encouragement to upload similar videos like that. Thank you everyone for watching my channel.